Hi everyone, today we are going to be making a chicken quesadilla. For your ingredients, you are going to need a tortilla, 2 ounces of chicken, 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese, a scoop of refried beans and a scoop of salsa, and olive oil cooking spray. When making this recipe, please ask for parent permission or supervision because you will need to be using the stove. So for our first step, we're gonna assemble everything on the cutting board. So with the tortilla, we're going to add our ingredients to only half the tortilla because after it cooks, we're gonna flip it over and cut it in half, and that's what's gonna make the quesadilla. So the first layer is going to be some refried beans. So this is gonna be about 1 or 2 tablespoons of refried beans. After that, we are going to add some chicken, cheddar cheese, and then finally a scoop of salsa. We are going to preheat our flat skillet, and we are going to spray the skillet with some olive oil spray. And once the spray is on the pan, we're gonna take our tortilla and put it right down on the pan. Let this sit for 1 to 2 minutes. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you can check to see if the tortilla is ready to fold by just taking a spatula and seeing if there's some browning on the tortilla. And if you can see that, you're just gonna fold the quesadilla in half. I kind of like to press it down with a spatula so everything closes nicely. Then you can take the quesadilla off the pan and onto a plate. And then you can either take a knife, or sometimes I like to use a pizza cutter just to cut it in half so it makes it nice and easy to eat. And you can have this with sour cream or guacamole or any other toppings that you like and enjoy.